Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate EA Sports FC25 theme on Instagram. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram. And once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the messenger icon and select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. Click on theme, and from here you need to select EA Sports FC25. Click on select again, wait for few seconds, and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.